Tuk kubor mentaga janmiat shua bangin sedang tung ini pai shua shikimat berkongsan. Lajan kenjo sya kasau paulak ngut ki bayo ega kelam covid kat kendai hageri ki don shi hajar aspa arpau ngut ki badang don ya ka jingpang covid kat kendai hakajela. On pelong yaki exam UGC naduk kat nyau terik haduk ke kat riu terik ubnai risau on pelong lang yaki exam da kerukom online but offline. Lapan kelai kerukom pulia jong ki kelas bersipau bat kelas bakat ar ke board exam ki bansawan. Bat lapoi Menteri Ketenat Yadari Rajnath Singh Harosha ban Shembenta ha Jingelang Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Ikubo ki babnya Kidon hadu lai pupralak san pulai hajar saus pa nyongut ki belayo ya ka jingpang covid ka kandai hakari kat ba ka jingdon jong ki badang don ya ka jingpang ki long pralak kat san hajar san spa lai puprangut hakini ki ap sau kanta shi hajar sau pau lai ngut ki la khlat no nakaba la ra ya ka jingyap shaka andru punyo hajar lai spa nyo punriu ngut aga jela hadu menta ki don shi hajar aspa arpau ngut ki badang don ya ka jingpang covid kat kandai bat shi hajar lai spa kendai po lai ngut ki nong pang ki balai yo ko ya ka jing ko bat khat lai ngut ki bala khlat no ka jela kala rai ban pelong ye ki exam UGC na do ka nyau torik hadu ka khat riu torik ubnai risau Menteri Ketenat Puli Puthi uba lakaman rembui ulo ong balai tai ya kene kamat ha ka jingalang ba ka soka jela ka bala rai ban pelong ya ki exam Menteri ula pentip ru bala pelong ya artli ki jingalang bat ki bo penya ka skul ba North Eastern Hill University bat ka soka jela kan sato sya ka UGC ban penjalan ya ka por ban pelong ya ki exam undergraduate bat postgraduate larai bagi tarik ban pelong ya ki exam kan long ha ka nyau kendai khat ar khat sau bat khat riu tarik ubnai risau ya ki result pat on penmi ha ka lai phui tarik urisau on pelong ya ki exam ha ka ta ka dur ba kan long lang bat offline bat online nang ban pensting yi kena pulie ka sorkar kala sya yi kena pulie bat kiwei ki district bat ki jela ban tho yi ki city shaki bo panya ke nehu bakin la ban tho yi ki exam jongki na ki jaka tho exam ki bajantam yaki
The district government will write to the UGC to let that exam for both the UG and PG final semester in the state be conducted in the month of October, that is from the 7th till the 16th of October. And the result should be declared on or before the 31st of October.
Kumba praspa nyo punyo ngut ki khlong badang shukha bat nru phuai ngut ki kenthei bala pun khon ki la khla no Meghalaya na du ubna yayong na mar ka jing duna ha ka rukom ai jing sumar ka jing pang nominia bat ka jing shitom ring mensiem ka jing yap jong ki khlong bat ki long kumi ka la kiu stat na mar ba ka jela baro ka wei ka ye khon ye ka khlam covid khat khandai ya ka ni la pen pau da director ka tnat ka kot ka khia u Dr. Amanwar Dangshen Menteri Ketenat ka kot ka khia uba AL hek ula penmi ya ka jing pensyai ha ka bia dei bat kanie da ka baken tho ba ka jing kieu ha ka jing yap ka long na ka daw ba ki babun ki kenthei ba pun khun Meghalaya kimwan shakmat ban kha ki jaka sumar kanie ka labu ha ka jing e ya ka soka jala na mar ba ki kenthei ba pun khun ki kwa ban kha halayeng ka Meghalaya ka la pelat pat ba ya ka program mother ha ubanai nailar arja khat khandai ban pen bhai ka kot ka khia ka kemie bat ki khun ha ka jala
mothers, pregnant mothers, those who are there in the their own respective district and places, they are still like to deliver the delivery at home. So that is not safe. That's why I'm telling you, the medical experts and the clinical requirement it is very much required. That's why we need to encourage them and tell them, give public awareness, give the awareness to the mother and the pregnant mother. They should come to the institutional for the institutional delivery.
Katanat puli putih ke jela kelarai ban penkela ia ke selebas nak ke bentar ke kelas bersipau bat kelas bakat A nak ke bentar ke board exam ban sawan. Kani ke selebas kan kedau ia ke lendong ki badai ban sam sya barok ke skul naduk ke apoi tarik unai lor. Uba lakemen ula ong ba onsa sya iki kena puli ban lej sya ki skul klem ka jingto nagi kimi ki kepa. Labata iki deputy commissioner jong barok ki district bagi ki tu ki skul bat college bala pelong kum ki corona center ki dai ban pen Telino yaki syuaka Khasi tarik unai lor.
Already mentioned that the schools will be closed till the 30th of should be closed till the 30th of September 2020. But they have also given the option that the teachers can visit the school from the 21st of September onwards, and the student also can visit the school to get the notes, assignment, this and that. And we have taken a decision that by 15th of September, that if there is any quarantine center or a Corona care center in the school, the district administration should vacate those institutions.
Kamighalia but Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association agajing ajing to jongka syakasoka jela kala banjur baki lais pak ngut kinong de madan ki bala dep ban pendrung kerteng na kebenta ban yo e jaka ban de ki mar ki jongki kim dei satya kinong de madan ki bashisha bat ki ba em jakpo na ka jing de yakimar hakirut surok. Ikong Angela Rengat haba ajing kren nakaliang jongka association ila ong shu babon nakibala pendrung kerteng ila dia kilong ki bamdei shisha kita kinong di madan ila benrap ru balada omla ban le ai lor kani kamat kan sala ban pelong ya kinong di madan ki badai hok shisha ban shong de biang ya ki mar jongki harut surok hagarukom ka bamla shu ban te lakam bat kani kanomla ban wanra jing bha ya unu ru unong don benta.
The Deputy Chief Minister announced that only 300 hawkers who have registered will be allowed. Our first question is, who are these 300? There is a court case, there's a status quo order, and these 300 were people who just went and walked in and took forms. Many of them are not even genuine hawkers who don't have an alternative source of income. The Hawker Association never recognized the current TVCs because it is illegal. They are illegal. The hawkers who are genuinely the hawkers whose list we have also submitted to the government and to the court will continue to come out to court.
Menteri Katanat Yadari Rajnath Singh ulapoi Russia banishim benta hakajingelang Shanghai Cooperation Organization Defense Minister meet. Yaki Menteri Katanat Yadari jong barok ki pratali ki ri ki balong ki dekot jong ka SCO la kmi lenti bakin yakran halo ki jing e akabia day bat ki kam ai jing yada hakathan na ki kam lekno bat ki wei bat banwat ikilat ki lenti banyele persha yaki da ka jing trelang ha Moscow la shai gasngi. Hakane ka jinglet balai sngi jong Rajnath Singh unse shimbentaru haka jingelang jong ka Collective Security Treaty Organization bat ka Commonwealth of Independent States. Menteri Katanat Yadari ulo ong ru lemba jong ka Twitter ba unse kendu ya Menteri Katanat Yadari jong ka Russia General Shoigu banyakran halo ka jinglet trelang bat halor kimat kiba penmentoy ya kini ki ari. Mentapat inya pechwai kajing long jingman jong sun beneng kajing shit kalong apusau 0.1 degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong kat pra degree Celsius kajing sengam kau hau kalong nyupuai nak shispa agapo menstep bat prapunyau nak shispa agapo jan miet kasun beneng kandum loo Shillong bat kijaka bemajan kandon ru kajing hap selap bermelu malah Shuaun penkut inya pa yang sa esien chikin kimat makongsan Ajan kenjo asya kasau paulak ngut ki bayo ke klam covid kat kendai hakari ki don shi hajar aspa arpo ngut ki badang don ya ka jingpang covid kat kendai hakajela an pelong ya ki exam UGC na duk kat nyau terik haduk ke kandir terik ubenai risau an pelong lang ya ki exam dak rekom online but offline Lapan kala ia kerukom pulia jong kelas bersipau bak kelas berkhatar haki buat exam ki bansawan. Malapoi Menteri Ketenat Yadari Rajnath Singh Russia benisem bentah ke jengelang Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Terperlok kat tungi lapoi sebekut jong tuk kubor jengi mentaga janmit haduk bang nisem selesai kesini haga juk kubor kubri boni pibaro.
The novel coronavirus is a contagion that causes respiratory illness and can be transmitted from person to person through sneezing and